So when let's say a new agent or an agent you don't know, you're not familiar with, or a manager or an artist themselves is coming to you and saying, hey, we want to play the Troubadour. What are you looking for in that initial email that would convince you to either listen to their music, take those next steps? This is a cold email from someone you don't know. What is the ideal email that you would receive from that person?
It's a really good question. I always like to know if you've played in Los Angeles before.
Okay.
We're 500 tickets. You know, we're 500 tickets. I'm a one-stop shop. I have one room. I don't have a 250 cap room to grow you in. I don't have a 750 to take you after, and I don't have a festival to book you on either. I'm a one-stop shop. I'm a rite of passage. So for our room, it's all about the right time. So particularly for an LA artist, you don't want to play the room too soon, try to headline too soon. And 150 people come, and you should have played the bootleg, or you should have played the echo. It wasn't your time yet. And like I said, it's the rocket on the way up is what I'm looking for my space as an ideal situation. Obviously, we book all kinds of artists and put bills together. But yeah, if you're a new artist I've never heard of, and I want to know, what your music sounds like, I want to be able to get there quickly, I'm going to look at your Facebook immediately.
What kind of links do you want them to send you? Facebook link?
A Facebook link,
What else?
A music link.
Music to where?
Either
Would you prefer?
Spotify or SoundCloud.
Spotify or SoundCloud?
Yeah,
okay.
Spotify or SoundCloud.
Cool.
If you have a video element and that's something that you curate and you do well, I can look at your YouTube.
What are you looking for when you go to their Facebook?
I'm looking for just your total number of fans and how many people are talking and engaging with you.
Okay, so the number of comments you're getting, the number of likes per post, how often you're posting, that kind of stuff, and if people are responding to that. Okay.
And then if you're not an artist that's into the Polestar, like you're not established enough to have Polestar records, I can go back and look. I'm like, okay, you have a flyer for your bootleg show, you have a flyer for your hi-hat show. I can see who you've played with. So I can listen to your music and I can get a vibe like, oh, hey, maybe you're friends with this artist or that artist.
Cool.
And if you're an up-and-coming musician, it's someone I haven't met before, maybe you're not ready to headline, but let's talk about a support slot, or let's maybe put together a bill if you're a local artist.